I'm Taryn Wills, and I created this, what I've called MenotaG or MenotaG service as a way to assist scholars in transcribing manuscripts and also in adding additional information such as lemmatization and normalization to existing Menota documents. And the idea is that the images and text are linked together. Now, the first thing you need to do to use this system is to register with it. And you shouldn't really do that until you've contacted me, but I'll show you how it works. So normally, if you come to the site, you will see there's a little lock here, cookies, as usual, consent form. And you have two choices here. One is to register or log in using your educational institution account. So if you're a member of a university almost anywhere in the world, this should work. Or you can register manually, but we prefer to use this so that way we don't have to manage so much of your data, and you may well prefer it too. If you click on the first link, just to show you how it works, you will come to this page, which is a federated login page. I would select that so you don't have to come back here. Choose your institution. For me, it's University of Copenhagen, and then put in your details. I'm just going to pause it while I do that. And that will bring you to this page where we ask for consent to give the information that you have here in English and Danish, and then you will return to the main page. Once you've done this process, you should contact me, and then I can give you access to the project. You don't automatically get access to the project doing this process. If you want to do it the other way, I'll contact, because it doesn't work, and this is true for certain universities and some federations such as Norway. I'll talk you through it. But anyway, the first point is that you'll come here, and we're starting with manuscripts, although this can be used to produce multiple manuscript editions. And on the transcription page that you'll see when you're actually logged in, there's a form to add a new manuscript for transcription. Here you can drop in a IIIF manifest URI, such as those provided by certain sorts of manuscript collections. But this service is designed for Nordic manuscripts. But for example, what I'm going to do today is just show you how we take Hoaxbook, which doesn't have a IIIF service, but 100 has it. Here I've found Hoaxbook in a list on 100, and it has images. So this is what we want. And the bit of information we need here is the identifier that 100 uses. So this comes from the underlying XML. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to drop that in for the 100 ID. And put some other information. So a title for the manuscript that we're transcribing, the edition, we'll just call that a test. License we'll just refer the user to 100. And here, if you haven't got a IIIF manifest, what we want you to do is link in the manuscript itself. So we have here a list of almost all Nordic manuscripts, we hope. If it's not there, contact me. And this means that we can maintain, if you're getting information from different sources, we know that it's actually referring to the same object. And you click the Insert New Manuscript for Transcription. And when we reload the page, it should appear here. And then we have a button here to check for more images. We don't have any images, so that's pretty much self-explanatory. And this will then use that 100 ID to load the images, the thumbnails from 100. And we can import all these to the service. And this isn't actually importing the images themselves, but just saving the links in the database. And once you've got to this point, you're basically ready to start. So and that will be what I talk about in the next video.